Is silver and gold burning people out? Well, it shouldn't be, and we're going to talk about that on today's Gold and Silver Updates. Good morning, everybody. It's Thursday. Woo! One day left to Friday, everybody. Things are crazy in the metals market. We get to talk about it this morning. So before we get started, happy coffee, everybody. Happy Thursday. We woke up to live another day, and it's 4 a.m. Last day that I got to get up super early, so we're drinking coffee like crazy, everyone. So if you're in New York, you're a little bit later than me. If you're in California, you're still sleeping. So we appreciate everybody on this channel. This channel has become a big family. We're a family on this channel, and that's what I wanted this channel to be. A family of friendship and fun and learning and teaching, and everybody teaching each other. All you stackers out there, teaching each other. So this channel's become a great channel. I'm the quarterback. You're just a team, guys. Without you, I couldn't be successful. So we're going to do a quick overview on what we're going to talk about. We're going to talk about gold and silver. We're going to talk about this morning's prices. This morning's prices are once again in wild swings, everybody. And we're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about burnout. Are people burning out on silver? Are they burning out on gold because of the volatility here lately that's happened? $120 silver down to $63 silver, and then up to 80, 88, 90 silver, and then back down to 68 silver. Guys, we're going to talk about why you shouldn't burn out on gold and silver, why you should not get that fatigue. So we'll talk about that shortly. Before we get started, everybody, let's look at a channel review, because at 10,000 subscribers, somebody is going to get this amazing gold back, everyone. A colored shielded gold back, which they only made 2,500 of these bad boys. And this one is number 255, an amazing giveaway from Goldback that they provided us for you guys. And not only that, this was one of the executives at Goldback. This was in his personal collection, everybody, because there were none. And so what a gracious gift that he gave us to give to you. So 10,000 subscribers. We're at right now 8,842 subscribers, everybody. Little over 1 year. My year anniversary on this channel was March 15th. So not as fast a growing as some channels. It just depends on the niche, right? But faster than a lot of channels. So it's all God-given, and it's all because of you, everybody. And we will be hitting 1 million views soon, probably before the end of next month. For sure the end of next month, but way before, I think. We're at 948,577, getting ready to hit 1 million views, guys. Thank you, everybody. It's all because of you, and we're going to give this away, guys. So we've got other giveaways to give away, so this is the big one, and then we'll probably do another giveaway at around 12,000 subs, and then I think when we hit 15,000 subs, we're going to do a pretty good size giveaway. So let's talk about this morning's gold and silver prices. Now, granted, everybody, it is very early in the morning. I woke up at 3 a.m. this morning to get myself ready so that I could film for you guys, and then go to work early, get all the paperwork done, prepare for a day, get all stock checked in, prepare for the day. So because I am their backup. So when the boss is away, I can't play. So happy coffee, everybody. Gold right now is at 4,429, 4,429 bucks, guys. We're under 4,500 again, so we have another drop. Here we go again. We have these wild swings, everybody, and we're going to talk about that in a second. 68.07 on silver, and yesterday we were 72, 73 all day long. So another big dip, but anymore, these wild swings on gold and silver and all the metals, everybody's just expecting it. I don't know how you coin dealers survive this. I mean, they're not banks. Once again, we've talked about that. Raven talked about that on Raven Hawk Coins in one of his videos, and that's true. I've talked about it. They're not banks, everybody. So it's hard. They've got to sell silver. They got to sell it, and the refiners and all that stuff. You know, they're taking forever to get them paid. So that makes it difficult to buy silver from you guys. So down to 67.94 on silver right now. It's volatile, everybody. Platinum, let's go to platinum, $1,886. Oh, and don't forget, everybody, watch these videos through. Hit that subscribe button. If you're not a subscriber, it doesn't cost you anything. We need to get to that 10,000 mark so that we can do a giveaway. And as one of the 80% that don't subscribe to our channel but watches us, we would appreciate you if you would subscribe to us. And comment. That helps the algorithm push the videos. If you don't comment, if you don't get involved, share, like, share, subscribe, all that stuff, watch the videos through, then the algorithm just says, you're dead. So, yeah, cool. And thank you to all my members. Thanks, members. I appreciate you for helping out the channel. So platinum, 1886. Palladium is at 1380. And don't forget, we're showing world coins at the end of the video, everybody. Rhodium hasn't changed. Rhodium's at 10,000. Yeah. You know, it goes from 10,000 to 10.5 to 11,000 to 11.5. I mean, and then drop back down to 10,000 and it just stays there, right? Let's move on to, let's go look at Mumbai and Hong Kong, see what their prices are. And then I've also got the Shanghai market up, see what Shanghai's doing. And then we'll look at oil prices too, because oil prices do have an effect on the price of silver and gold. I watched it last night. I watched it all day yesterday, and it does affect it. So Mumbai, no, let's do Hong Kong first. $4,528 on gold, $71.83 on silver. They're still up. I don't think the war's bothering them too much, although they're down, but they're not as down as we are. It's the whole market it's the market as a whole, everybody. Mumbai, 4,520 bucks, and silver at 71.74 right now for Mumbai, everybody. So let's check out the gold and silver ratio. All these wild swings. What is the gold and silver ratio doing? 65.16, everybody. So gold outperforming silver. It's these swings are just that's silver and gold, everybody. That's silver and gold, and people are getting burned out. We're going to talk about that. We're going to get through this. We're going to talk about that. We're going to show some cool coins. So let's move on to gold backs, everybody. Gold yesterday was up. So the gold backs went up to $9.12 exchange rate. Don't forget that. The gold backs, everybody. Don't forget the giveaway. The big giveaway. Love gold bags, 24 karat gold, buying some more. Got little flying things flying around. I got the door open, okay? That's what stuff is flying around. So 912 on gold backs. Let's move to our heavy metals. Heavy metal. Remember that song? Some of you might, some of you not, but it was good times, everybody, back in the 80s. So let's move over to copper. Copper is actually performing better. It's up to 547. It's going up. Nickel is at 777. So nickel's doing good. Aluminum's about the same, $1.49. It's even, Steven, and so is zinc. It's $1.38-ish. So Bitcoin, everybody, let's look at your little wonder boy Bitcoin. I'm not a digital guy. I'm just not. And I'm not this big a risk taker. I take risks, but I don't take them like this. And this is crazy. $69,921.97, everybody, for Bitcoin. Pass. I'll pass on the Bitcoin. Shanghai right now. Let's look at our Shanghai market. Where you at here? Shanghai silver is at 77.85, everybody. And India, which is another big player in this market, is at 77.47. So they're kind of going up a little bit. So I guess that's good news. Happy coffee. There's nothing negative about silver and gold, guys. The green lights are always on. You notice that? I don't really turn the red lights on. But let's talk about something. Let's talk about silver. Let's talk about gold. People are getting fatigued. Everybody's being fatigued on gold and silver, including me. But we got to realize something. And we'll tell you a quick story about silver fatigue, gold fatigue, or fatigue. I'm going to associate something with it. But I mean, the swings are so huge. Everybody's like, I'm just going to wait it out. I'm just not going to buy any right now. I'm just going to hold what I got. I paid too much for the last batch I bought, and it dropped $20 an ounce or $10 an ounce. Fatigue, silver fatigue, everybody. You can't get it. You can't get silver fatigue. Don't do it. Stay away from that. Let me tell you a little story, and it makes perfect sense. I knew a guy back in the 80s. And of course, now he's gone. But, the oil boom was huge. People making hundreds of thousands of dollars a year, driving sports cars, living in the best homes, and eating out at the best places, guys. And then the oil boom crashed. Boom. It crashed hard, everybody. Banks went under. People lost their homes. People lost all of their investments, were gone in the oil field investments and in industrial sector investments for equipment. And there was millions, well, I don't know, maybe millions of jobs that were lost in the oil field industry. Houses repoed everywhere, everyone. So I do remember that. But listen, there was one person that I knew, even as a kid and growing up and watching them, that had some money put back. He wasn't in the oil field. In the oil field, there was equipment everywhere. Banks were going under. They were repoing equipment. They couldn't sell it, oil field equipment. And I knew a guy that just started buying it. He had some money put back. He was, quite a bit older than me, 10, 15 years older. But he started buying all the equipment, guys. He had to store it. He had to buy it. He had to store it. He held his oil field equipment for years. And I think about 10 or 12 years. And then the oil field, he bought a lot of oil field equipment. The oil field started going back up. Guess what? The oil field went up. Everything started going good. We started drilling for oil again. Economies were getting better. He started selling. the guy became a multi-millionaire. You know why? Because he bought on the dip, everybody. He bought on the oil field dip where things were dim and terrible and everybody was out on the streets. And nobody said, I'm not buying into the oil field. I'm not going to get a job in the oil field anymore because it's too weird. It's just too risky. Well, guess what? He took the risk and he bought all the cheap stuff. And when he bought the cheap stuff, he put it back. And then the price went up. And then he started selling it. Then he became a multimillionaire. Well, everybody, silver and gold are the same. They're the same way. Happy to coffee. Happy to coffee. People get burned out and they say, oh, no, I'm not buying anymore. And then silver dips down. Oh, I'm not buying anymore. But the ones that are going to win are the ones that continue to buy, whether it's up high, whether it's up here, or whether it's way down here. They continue to buy because it all averages out. Dollar cost averaging, it all averages out in the end, and it's a long-term hold. So, guys, that is my rant today. So continue to buy your silver. Don't get burned out. When it's down, buy it. When it's up, buy it. Just dollar cost average. And that's where that comes into play. So everybody, fantastic Thursday. Let's check out some world coins. Gave you my rant. So as always, one of my favorite times, guys, and then we had one of our viewers sent us some pretty cool world coins. So we want to thank Michael Bunting and Rebecca Bunting for sending us these cool world Costa Rica coins, guys. They're always fun to look at, and we're going to show a couple of them this morning. Really neat little coin right here, guys. Pretty cool. I mean, I don't have any Costa Rica coins. Does anybody else? I mean, they're very, very, very cool. This one's a 2007, looks like, Costa Rica coin. Mike, thank you so very, very much. That's a cool coin. And then I picked out this one, another Costa Rica. Beautiful coin. What is this? A 2008, 2005? It's hard to tell right there, isn't it? And that's a 5. Man, very cool Costa Rica coins, everybody. Mike, thank you so very much. I appreciate it. And we're not going to show them all today. We want to spread those out. But let's look at some old coins here. These are a little bit harder to see. This is a pretty small coin, but a beautiful coin. I think it's 1927 maybe. Oh, no, 1925. Guys, look at the condition of this coin. That is in amazing condition. I don't know how you pronounce that. Is it Deutschmark or something? Deutschreich or something like that. There you go. That's pretty cool though. Finnegan. We know what that is. So that's an amazing coin. And look, I want to show you these, guys. These are really cool. You think, hey, what a cool silver coin. Well, guess what, guys? This is an aluminum coin from Germany. And in the 1920s, 1923 specifically, well, Germany was in hyperinflation. And so the only thing they could make coins out of basically was aluminum. So they made a lot of these as currency, everybody, because aluminum was cheap. So, but nevertheless, a very, very cool coin. Not worth anything, doesn't have any real metal value or anything like that, but very, very cool. So everybody, we're going to get ready to go to work. So everybody have a very, very happy Thursday and go out and get you some silver on the dip this morning under $68 an ounce and get you some gold on the dip this morning. remember, everybody, if you hold out and you do nothing and you don't take any risk, you can't earn the benefits. So, everybody, let the Heavenly Father bless you today. Bless my viewers today, Father, and let us concentrate on the 80% that we have and not the 60 or 20% that we seek, everybody. And we thank you for having a roof over our heads. There are so many out there, everyone, that have nothing, that have much less than we have. So think about them. Sometimes maybe somebody needs a bottle of water. So everybody have a fantastic day. Thursday, SSC right here, Oklahoma, United States of America, guys. Happy